All right, so I got this 400 grit wet dry. Already sanded this shit down. So when it comes to sandpaper, sandpaper is supposed to be rough. Now you want that to be the opposite with your piece of work. You want that to be smooth. So whenever you're doing primer anything, you want to sand it down. I did with, especially primer, it's gonna clog up sandpaper like dry sandpaper. You want to use primer. I mean, for primer, you want to use wet sand. Do wet sanding, because it's just gonna clog up your paper if you're dry sanding real quick. Wet sanding is always the best with primer. So you want to keep it wet. I use my water hose, spray it down. You want to make sure that this surface is smooth. So you don't want anything rough when you're rubbing your hands on it. So that's how you test it. That's how you know it's done. You shouldn't have any like patches, any I can't even think of the name of orange peel. That's what I want to say. Orange peel or patches. It all needs to be smooth and monotone or look all the same. It's got to be smooth and not have any blemishes on it. So anyways, I went ahead and mixed my paint. We're doing hot hues. This is Fuchsia Kiss. Right there, that's the name. That's the paint code right there, 745641HH. But don't try to copy me. Don't try to bite me. Be original. Get your own shit. Do your own shit. Be yourself. You know what I'm saying? Don't try to look like me. Don't try to impersonate me. I got enough people trying to be me already. So right here we're gonna do a 1-to-1 mix. So 1 part paint to 1 part activator, reducer. This is your activator actually. That's your reducer. This your activator. You want 1/10, 10%. Boom. Set up here. I went ahead and I put a little adhesion promoter. Just misted it, right? So we good to go on the spraying. So I just put like what you just saw me do was one real quick like mist coat, and then I went over and did like 1 wet coat, and I think I got enough to do 1 more wet coat. So after that, I'm gonna show you. You're gonna do the clear coat. All right, babies, ladies and gentlemen, it's been 30 minutes. I went ahead and mixed my clear. You do a 4-to-1. So let's say if you put 4 parts of clear, you want to do 1 up to go to the 5. So 4 parts of clear, 1 part. So let's just say you go to the 4 with the clear, you want to go to the 5 with your reducer. So we're using Mason Select Clear. Here's my flake lineup. We're using this Love Potion. Let's take a look at these. Yeah. So we got this Love Potion. It's kind of like a darker one. This is a lighter pink. It's fuck cancer. Light pink. And then this one got a little purple. This is Snow Cone from painthuffer.com. Boom, I went ahead. Hopefully don't clog up the gun because I got a whole shitload of fucking flake in there, which so that's how I roll, baby. Alright. Flip this baby around. Get the spraying. Let's see. I guess I could probably. Talk about some pretty work. Can't even see it. But anyways, that's one. We're gonna do 2 wet coats and try not to get any runs in it. So I'm gonna let that sit for about a few minutes, and then spray another coat. If I got enough paint clear left over, I'll put 3 coats on. So I'm gonna spray this whole thing until it's gone. Spray till that's gone. So I look like I know I'm gonna get 1 more coat at least. So then I'm gonna let this sit overnight. Boom, we'll do the installation tomorrow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been 24 hours, so it's cured. Ready for the installation. All right, so to do that, got a little 3M green tape, this painter's tape. Got these little black joints with the little security bits on them. I'm gonna do a real small hole, probably through, just halfway through the bumper. Like I'm gonna just get it started. These are kind of like self-tapping. I got these left over from installing front liners at the Chevy dealership. I had a bunch of them left over. So we're gonna use those, just enough to get through both sides. Yeah. And then I might go with something. I might use one short, one long. But anyways, I'm gonna get this put up here, hold it with the tape, and we'll get started. All right, so got it on there, right? But I'm just holding it up with a piece of tape on both sides. I don't even need that jack. I can just drop this out the way, really. So, piece of tape both sides. It's a tight fit, so just do one side, work it around. I'll probably put 2 on this side, 2 on the other side, and then probably like 1, maybe right here, on both sides. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it. I put 2 black screws, one here, one on the other side over there. I kind of scratched the damn paint putting that screw in with the torch bit, but and it's Fayetteville. I mean, this is a salvage car right here. You know, somebody hit this car and totaled it, so I bought it back from the insurance company. And you know what I'm saying, if you see my other video, this whole front was gone, completely smashed in. So I just rebuilt the whole, you know what I'm saying, front end, painted it. Yeah, it happens again, we'll work it out, fix it again. That's what I do, baby. Everything I touch turn to gold. So we'll take that junk, make it some money. But you know what I'm saying, it's probably gonna get some rock chips and stuff like that. Anyways, I'm not anal about little stuff like that. But that's it right there. I mean, you can choose, you know what I'm saying, to put bigger holes, put some bolts in there, but I just went with the self-tapping screws. So that's the installation front lip kit on the Civic Light. I just put 2 bolts, drill 2 little holes right there, put 2 in like that. It's sturdy, ain't gonna go nowhere, ain't gonna fall down. That's all that matters. You just don't want it falling off, you know. All right. Thanks for watching the video. Peace.